maple prefers well-drained soil and sunny areas. Oh, look, all these bugs right here.
What's this big guy up here?
King salmon.
What's the next one? 7.5.
Whoa, that is perfect. Who had cottonwood? Which one of you was that? You had cottonwood? So these are the ones that fall down from that. What color are those?
Yellow.
9.
It's one of these, I know. Well, it's not the giant stonefly.
Okay, you guys did really, really good. I'm really impressed.